Alright guys, so here's what we're up to today. Me and my son are cooking off cans of molten aluminum. I've burned off a muffin tin. Smokes quite a bit when you do that. You just do this with a basic butane torch. Got it pre-ready, the 4 in the middle. Got ShopVac blowing through a tube. And this is just a charcoal starter. Some charcoal. And in there we have a fire extinguisher. I cut the cap off of it. It was of course spent. And steel tube is working pretty good. And then over here we have Mr. Remy. He's crushing the cans so they're small enough to go in the tube. All right, so it's time. We're gonna try and pour this and see how that goes. Start getting a good grip on that. Okay, Remy, just kind of hold that in front, kind of midway. There you go. Next. This is all just extra material that didn't really burn and become liquid. Soot that got in there and we were dumping coal in, impurities in the metal, etc. Yeah, don't touch it. Right here. Thanks for watching.